All right, I have a good news for you. Atlassian is providing free Forge Fundamental certificate. If we go down here, open full details. So here we can see exam spec as price as free. So exam time is 45 minutes and we got 20 questions and it is a non-proctored. The certificate will be valid for 12 months and the passing score is 70%. So we got to schedule the exam via the Certiverse once we are ready. All right. So here we go. The entire thing. So there are two things. Either you can schedule your exam if you're ready, or you can start preparing for free. There is free on-demand training as well as mentioned here. So in either way, we got to create one account. So let's click on schedule your exam. So now if you're new to Atlassian or don't have an account, we can use our Google or any kind of other Microsoft account as well. Let's click on create an account here. So let's give our email and then click on sign up. So once you're successfully logged in, let's click on the accept. All right, next we got here we got to scroll down, 18, agree, submit. Next, let's fill out some basic details like country address, these things. All right, once you got this page, click on schedule your exam, Certiverse. Now, if we scroll down here, SSO to Certiverse. Now, let's change the country first. Please select your country. Read me first. You got to read this exam. Now we got two exams for free. If you look at the Forge Fundamental, which I've mentioned, and also Revo Fundamentals is also available, which you can avail, right? Both are unproctored. And here, if you go down, there are some famous certifications, which will cost around $100 or something like that, $250. Even the more advanced level certifications, right? Jira administration, the famous ones. So let's go ahead with the Forge Fundamental because the video is about it. I'll select here. If you look here, the price is free. Same goes for Revo Fundamentals as well. If I click on maybe get started. So again, it is like unproctored and request accommodation. These things are there. Now, if I go back here, let's get started with the Forge Fundamentals. I got here. I'll click on like get exam blueprint as well is there. How the marks distribution is all. Let's click on get started. Let's click on request accommodation. If you don't need accommodation, you can skip it. I'll go to next now. Let's click on accept and continue. And there we go. Once you're ready, you can click on start. The exam will start. So that's what it is. Please do share with your friends and colleagues who want to get certified in Atlassian. The two certificates are for free. For Forge Fundamentals, they can definitely avail it. I got to take the exam. There's a deadline, right? We got you'll get around like 7 days or 1 week to finish the exam. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel because I regularly update videos relating to free certification vouchers and hyping ID certification courses. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video.